How's it going, guys? So right here is my 2016 Mustang GT, and today we got a new upgrade. So what I went with today was the Project 6 GR 10-spoke design wheels. And they are some beautiful wheels. They actually make the design of the GT 350R design wheels as well, which is mostly popular. This is their new design wheels they just came out with. And why did I go with them besides OEM GT 350 wheels instead? Well, for one, these are a lot lighter. These wheels weigh in at around 21 pounds, give or take, for 19-inch wheels. So in the front I went with 19 by 10, in the rear I went by 19 by 11, and the offset in the rear is, I believe, 50, and the front is 35. And for a set of wheels that weigh 21 to 22 pounds, that's greatly going to increase the driving of the car, the drivability, just how it handles and feels. The OEM performance pack wheels that I had on before, I believe the rims by themselves weigh a little better than 30 pounds. So if I'm racing around 10 to 15 pounds on each wheel, it's going to make a big difference on just how the car feels all together. Instead of having a boat anchor on the front end on each corner, now we have a light set of wheels on here. And really, the Project 6 GR, I love the concave of these wheels. They look really great. And I really did like the GT 350R style wheels, but I wanted to go with something a little bit different because everybody runs those. Not that they're a bad wheel. I mean, they're a very good looking wheel. That's why everybody runs them. But for what Project 6 GR offers with these wheels is unbelievable. For the price that they offer them for, they're very comparable in weight and durability to my Volk CE28s that I run on my Honda S2000, and those were easily double the price. The Volk CE28s or TE37s for a set, they cost anywhere from around $3,000, a little bit less than $3,000. So these are about half the price, and these are 19s as well. And when you go to buy tires for 19s, it's kind of pricey, but at the same time, they look great. I'm running 285 35s up front, and in the rear I'm running 305s in the back right now, 30s. So it's similar to the OEM GT350 style tire. Obviously they run a little bit wider up front. I think it's 295 up front on the GT350, but I will say this completely transformed the car, how it handles, drives, and how the steering feels, because the steering is a lot more direct. It's still a staggered tire setup, but it's not as staggered as the stock setup. So you're less prone to understeer as you were before. So it handles a lot better. I can see with a set of coilovers, this thing would handle like a dream. One thing I will say about these wheels and tire setup is that I know that on the stock car setup, a lot of people like the sport steering option. One thing with you're running a bigger, wider front set of tires, you probably get added too much weight because there's already going to be a little bit more weight running a wider front tire. So I'm running more the normal or comfort setup when I'm in Sport Plus mode. So that's kind of one drawback I saw from that, but to be completely honest with you, I never really put in sports mode, the steering feel anyway, so that's not that big of a deal. And a lot of guys out here that track these cars actually like the comfort steering option versus the actually sports side. I guess because of the same reasons that I've left behind. But guys, I'm just going to go ahead and say right now, you're honestly, at first I was going to go ahead and buy some OEM GT350 wheels because I loved how they looked, and they would fill out these front fenders a little bit better, because before they were kind of sunken in on the performance pack wheels, which are only 9 inches up front, where these are 10 inches. And I was going to go with the GT350 wheels, but honestly, for the price I could find a used set of GT350 wheels for about $300 more, I bought a brand new set of these, and they take about 8 pounds off, because I think the OEM GT350 wheels are still around 30 pounds. So if you're in the same boat as me and you have a Mustang GT and you want to go ahead and upgrade to a set of GT350 wheels, look at Project 6 GR. They offer a great amount of wheels, great prices, and for the weight reduction that you get from these wheels, the car will handle 10 times better. Also, the wheels come with a set of lug nuts too, which are really nice. But in all, I think these are some of the best wheels that you can buy for the price point, and you can't go wrong, guys. I mean, if you like the 7-spoke design on the GT350R, I actually noticed a lot of guys that have GT350s upgrade to those because they're lighter than the OEM wheels. So this is a great wheel design for the price. You can't beat it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment below, subscribe for more. We got some more modifications coming to the Mustang pretty soon, and we'll see how it goes from here. I'll see y'all guys in the next one.